Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a keyboard and mouse to play Battlefield 6 on your PS5. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do, simply plug your mouse and keyboard into the USB ports on your console. You can also connect them through Bluetooth. Just be sure both devices are linked to your active profile. Once they are connected, you will see the mouse and keyboard icon show up in the top right corner. When you launch Battlefield 6, you'll immediately see your mouse cursor on screen. It might feel a bit laggy at first. So open your options and go into the settings. You will find the mouse and keyboard options there. Try toggling raw input on or off and see which one feels better for you. If you want to test things before jumping into a match, go into the firing range and try out your setup there. Also, if your controller is still turned on, it can cause some weird input conflicts. I recommend turning it off completely while you're using mouse and keyboard. Overall, it works smoothly and gives you that PC style precision. So yes, you can play Battlefield 6 on console with a mouse and keyboard, and yes, it works pretty well. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.